Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll talk about disputing credit card charges. Legally, you can dispute a credit card charge for all kinds of reasons, from billing issues to fraud. But it's important to note that you can't simply leverage the dispute process to avoid paying for purchases that you regret making. Credit card companies investigate disputed charges, and while they may give you the benefit of the doubt the first time you complain, they won't be so lenient with big-ticket purchases or with subsequent complaints. So if you're doing it for the right reasons, we can move on to the dispute process. First, retrace your steps. If an unknown or inflated charge shows up on your credit card account, the first thing you should do is look back at your receipts and think carefully about the purchases you've made to ensure that the charge is actually unauthorized and not just an oversight on their part. Then, if you're sure that you didn't actually make the purchase in question, but you've previously done business with a particular merchant, give them a call. An honest mistake might have been made, and the retailer will probably remove the charge once it's pointed out. For example, if you were charged twice for a recent meal at a restaurant that you frequent, noting this mistake is probably going to get it fixed faster. Depending on the situation, both you and the merchant may ask you to provide documentation to support your case. It's common for issuers to either remove the questionable transaction from your account or issue a temporary credit that also covers any finance charges related to the disputed transactions, pending the results of their investigation. If the credit card company does not end up siding with you and sides with the merchant, the charge will be reapplied to your account and you will have to pay for it. Finally, it's important to understand that you do have options remaining should the merchant and your credit card company not help. That's unlikely, but you could file complaints with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau or the Federal Trade Commission for starters. To find out more about how to dispute a credit card charge, you can check out Wallet Hub's guide by clicking the button here.